Hey people, what's up? I want to teach you how to get free air conditioning. I'm kind of sleepy, I know, but I have air conditioning. I have a portable air cooler system. Alexa. 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 I don't like that. Oh god, back hurts. I know, Alexa, finally. You can see the white adapter right here, people. Alright, people, hey, I'm gonna teach you how to get free air conditioning from the air personal cooler. With that money, I get paid by utility companies. But this Forza battery should do the trick for you. I know, people, you get tired of it. I'm just trying to teach you how to get free air conditioning. Because the summer heating up. We're getting rain all week, people. I don't like this situation. We lose electricity all the time. All the time, nonsense. Let me put this camera right here. This gives you a little beat. I ain't pull my pants up, people. See you in a second. Stay there. That's my wrist pad, don't worry about it. It helps my muscles staying by or supporting me. This is how you get unlimited electricity from your UPS without paying utilities, people. This is hard, I know. Alright, let's see how this goes for the air conditioning system. When I take it apart, it would just plug it in. Get unlimited electricity from the battery. So you guys think about myself, uncle's in bed, my nana's in bed. Watch this. Alright, 3, 2, 1. It's loud, I know. Free air conditioning, nice, isn't it? You have to replace your filter for 6 months. Shut up, battery. It thinks the power's out. It doesn't care. It's how you get unlimited electricity from the battery. There's a train down in the neighborhood. Scares the crap out of me at night. I'm scared of those things. I feel like they come at my house and bang my bedroom open up. Oh my god. Check this manual, people. Think about We do. Okay. That should be nice. That's nice. Okay. Unlimited electricity. Wasting power and energy, people. What do you guys think? Is it wasting energy out of the battery? I don't know. I don't think so. We're gonna do an Alexa series. I might get my storage back up. I need to buy a monthly storage on my iPad. Or I'll do on a computer. Just whatever I feel like to do. Alright, people. Alright. Oh, crap. Scared the crap out of me. Alright, people. I need to shut off the UPS. I need to plug this in utility mode. This battery's getting really loud. I don't want to wake up Uncle. It's right next to me, you know. This battery's way powerful. I'm gonna shut this off in a minute. Alright, guys. That'll be it for you guys. I need to plug this in utility. Just in case. Get the UPS quiet. Possible. Alright, you guys. That's it. And see you later. And keep it going. That's our review. And that's it.